Hi, it's Vanni Bean. This tutorial is for editing your iPhone's home screen to appear how you like. Step 1. Get your photos or icons ready. First, find photos that you want to use. The free method is to search for photos or icons online, Pinterest, etc. You can also choose to buy icons or themes. I went for a spring garden theme and found some photos on Pinterest. Once you have your photos, save them to an album to easily find them. Step 2. Arrange your home screen. Part 2 coming next. Step 3. Create shortcuts for each application. You should already have Apple's Shortcuts application. Hit the Add button. Name your shortcut. Choose an action that will occur when you click on the shortcut. Hit the Open Application action. Click on Application and choose one. Now hit the Menu button. Click Add to Home Screen. Add a name for your shortcut that will be displayed. Next, click on the icon to change the photo and click Choose Photo. Go to your home screen photo album and choose one. Hit Add. Remove your original application. Part 3 coming next. Step 4. Create widgets. Widgets, the larger icons, are optional. Download the Widgetsmith application. Let's add a small widget. I like to use the photo and time widgets. Let's add a clock. Customize away. Note, only some type of widgets let you use your own photos. Name your widget so it's easy to find later. Exit the application. To add the widget to your home screen, enter Edit Mode and click the Add button. Scroll down to Widgetsmith and select the size you want. Now remove the original application and voila! And that's it. That's how you edit your iPhone home screen with shortcuts and widgets. Part 4. Bonus tutorials coming next. Extra. Edit shortcuts and widgets. You can't edit a shortcut once it's made, so repeat part of the process to create a new one. Use the template you set up before. Now change the name and/or photo. Add the new one to the home screen and delete the old shortcut. Widgets are easier to edit than shortcuts. Open the Widgetsmith application and go to the widget you want to edit. Click on it twice. Make your edits and then save. The widget will automatically update your changes on your home screen. If you want to switch between same-size widgets, enter Edit Mode and hit Edit Widget. Select what you want and it will automatically change. Part 5. Last bonus tutorial, coming next. Part 5. Last bonus tutorial, My Secrets. First, we will get the weather widget for free. Enter Edit Mode and click the Add button. Scroll down to Weather and click on it. Choose the size you want and add it. Now the real secret. You can easily switch between multiple themes on your phone. You can now hide pages, meaning you can switch between themes by having only certain pages be visible. Enter Edit Mode and click on the dots to reach the menu where you can edit pages. You can now select or deselect specific pages. I will select my old cotton candy theme. Ta-da! Thanks for watching my iPhone home screen tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions.